Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we have a wash day video. I want to show you guys some new things I've been using, and y'all can see my hair is growing, it's flourishing, it's looking really healthy, and that's because I've really been working hard on it, like really hard. So I have been using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Plex Breakage Defense line, and it has 3 products in it, and those are what I'm using today. The first product that you guys see here, this is the Bond Mender pre-treatment. So this is kind of like a serum. It has some slip to it. It's actually really nice, and I really like pre-pooing my hair, pre-detangling, whatever you guys want to call it. That's what I like doing. It just has helped me retain length, help my hair not get really tangled during wash day, and it's just been a whole blessing for me. But this one in particular, it helps reinforce weak bonds and helps fill in fragile strands, and it also has argan oil infused into it, so it's really nice. It reinforces, protects, and maintains healthier hair strands, fuels each strand with long-lasting strength, and helps reduce damage and breakage for a longer and stronger hair. And I honestly feel like that's what I've been seeing out of this product. You can see I can easily glide my hair, glide the comb through my hair. Normally I wouldn't use a comb, but because my hair was already in a stretched state, I don't mind using a comb. You guys can see my hair revert from its blown out state to it going back to its natural shrunken type 4 texture. And using this within my wash days, I don't use it all the time. Sometimes I use aloe, sometimes I use warm oil, whatever I have on hand, but I try to pick this up when my hair just feels like it needs some life. So you guys can see, my hair maybe look like it's a little bit damaged, but give it some time and you'll see it's not damaged. We're giving health right here. And what I do to really amp up step 1 is this bad boy right here, my steamer gun. I got this from Amazon. Check out my Amazon product haul video, and you guys can see all the products, like hair tools, that I've been purchasing from Amazon. This one is from there, and it's really nice. So I like this one because I can control how much steam I get. It can be a lot or it can be a little bit. Of course, for the video I used it through each step in my wash day, but normally I would just use it probably at pre-poo or when I'm gonna deep condition. And y'all can see it just looks, it's nice, and it's not as like, it doesn't leave water all over the place like you may think it would because it's steam. Next up, I'm gonna be using the Cream of Nature Plex Restoring Shampoo. This helps to moisturize and nourish, remove impurities, and build up from the hair. And this has castor oil and argan oil in it. I love castor oil, so this is just my vibe. I really like this shampoo. It's not drying at all. It lasts for a long time. I've probably been using this system for about 4 to 5 wash days, and I still have, product left, like a good amount of product left. So I really like the shampoo. You can even detangle your hair a little bit with the shampoo in it. It's just a nice shampoo, and it just helps your hair receive the third step, which is the restoring conditioner. I'm also going to use my steamer in this process too, just to show you guys you can use it during the shampoo process if you want to. And yes, I'm washing my hair in the kitchen sink because who got time to be hopping in and out of the shower or just bending over the bathtub? I don't have time for that. So yeah. I rinse my hair with warm water. I was trying the whole rinse your hair with cool water thing, but that really doesn't work for me. I just use warm water. Like I'm not using cold water after I don't know, I just like hot water, warm water. My hair has bounced back already with just those 2 steps. You can see it. You can see it. We're not done yet. Next, we're going to condition. So a normal wash day, I would just use a deep conditioner, but I really like using this whole line. So I'm using the Restoring Conditioner. This helps to moisturize and improve appearance of dry, damaged strands. This also has the castor oil and the argan oil in it. And I'm not gonna, the conditioner doesn't have much slip, but after you detangle your hair with the step 1, the bond mender, you're pretty much good to go. You don't need a ton of slip in this conditioner. This is really to help, you know, put back what your hair needs. So I put that in my hair. I put a good amount too. I am not at all like light-handed with products. So I put that in my hair and I go in with my steamer again, y'all. Yes, we're gonna steam again. But go ahead and grab my little plastic cap, leave this product on for about 30 minutes and go on about my day. Y'all can see my hair has reverted 100%. It feels strong but not stripped. It doesn't feel hard like a protein treatment. So go ahead and try this line if you are looking for something to restore your hair and give it strength. I'm not sure how this compares to Olaplex, so if you've tried this and you've also tried Olaplex, let me know. I feel like this might be a cheaper alternative. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. All the products will be linked below, and I'll see y'all in my next one.